Hi, welcome back to my class. Today, we are going to learn 2 language points. Let's look at the first one. Please read after me. 你很少生病，是不是喜欢运动？你很少生病，是不是喜欢运动？ Do you know what's the meaning of this sentence? Yes, you rarely get sick.Is it because you like to exercise? Here, the red word 是不是 is the symbol of a question sentence. 是不是 literally means yes or not, usually used before the predicator or at the beginning or end of a sentence. See, this is part of Shenzhen. Do you think Shenzhen is beautiful or not?Then you can say, 深圳是不是很漂亮？深圳是不是很漂亮？ Besides that, you also need to pay attention to the tone. 是不是 The middle character, 不 should be pronounced lightly. And the last word, 漂亮 should be pronounced lightly as well. You got it?Let's move on to the next language point. Okay, let's read the sentence first. 我每天早上都要出去跑步。我每天早上都要出去跑步。What is the meaning of this statement? I go out running every morning. 每 is a pronoun. You can see 每 is used before a measure word, indicating each or every individual or group in the whole. Look at the picture. He is practicing writing Chinese character every day. You can say, 他每天都会学习中文。他每天都会学习中文。每 plus measure word 天 means every day. Apart from that, we can also say every year 每年 every month 每个月 every week 每个星期 or 每周。Give it a try. See you next time.